What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? It's your Skinny Boy Randy. How you doing today? It is a beautiful day. It is cold, but it is beautiful. I'm out here with my chickens. Hi, chick. Say hello. Hi, chick. Hi, chick. The chickens look like they cold. Oh no, here they come. Hey, chick. I love the chickens, you guys. Yes, I am so blessed that my neighbor has chickens that lives behind me and she gives me fresh eggs. Here they go, you guys. Hi, babies. Hi. Hi, Henrietta. Hi, Harriet. Hi, Scott. Hi, Blue. Yes, I gave my own name, you guys. And the other two are over there just probably nesting, laying eggs. Yes, they give me some great fresh eggs. Your eggs are so good, you beautiful girl, you. Yes, you're on YouTube Live, you guys. You are beautiful. You're not on YouTube Live, but you're going to be on my YouTube video. Yes, you guys. Aren't they gorgeous? It's a beautiful thing. Hi. And they come when I call them. Hi, girl. So, I just wanted to make a video and give a shout out to Oklahoma Gardener. Oh, I'm sorry. First of all, I hope you're having a great, blessed, growing day. I hope you're blessed and prosperous in everything you do. And I just wanted to give you an update. Shout out to the New Orleans Gardener. She gave me a great tip on the Dollar Tree. Look, you guys. I got all this. All of this from the Dollar Tree. From the Dollar Tree, y'all. From the Dollar Tree. And I hope I'm not recording it upside down because I made a video in the Dollar Tree. I'm thinking about posting it, but it's upside down. If I can figure out how to take it from being upside down, I will. But yeah, let me get in the sunlight. Hi, you guys. Potting soil mix, $1. And I'm gonna try it. I've never tried it before, so I can't say it's great, but I trust New Orleans Gardener. So we're gonna try it out. And I hope I said your name right and your channel right, the New Orleans Gardener, correct? I hope so. Look, y'all, these pots. These pots are priceless. And then pretty soon, all this stuff is gonna be gone. But I'm on a budget every day, all day, you know? I don't want to spend a whole lot of money on my garden. I just can't do it. I can't afford it and I can't do it. And, you know, we get what we need. That's what we do. We get what we need to produce. And we have seeds, we have soil, and we have pots. We're good to go. Okay? Okay. So while we're out here, let's go ahead and take a look at the garden. Over here. Look at that broccoli, y'all. Hope you can see it. Because I'm videoing in the opposite direction. Hope you can see it, y'all. Broccoli. And this one over here. Oh my God, look, y'all. Look, put my hand in there like that. I'll give you an idea how big she is. That's a big old stalk of broccoli. This one's doing good. Yep. Our collards, you know, they're still doing their own little thing. And these Brussels sprouts. Oh yeah, this is the brand of the broccoli. Green Magic Hybrid. So this is what they're supposed to look like. And the instructions are on the back. So I think it's about time for me to pick these. And I'll do that in another video. So, there's some more broccoli over here. I love you guys. But yeah, this is the Dollar Tree shopping. Thanks to the New Orleans Gardener. Just Skinny Boy Randy. Live, love, laugh, you guys. Grow stuff and eat it!